Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Shivangi. Today's topic is advantages of case study. So, what are the advantages? Firstly, we have to know about what is case study. So, case study is a qualitative form of study or types of research. It involves a careful and complete observation of a social unit. Basically, case studies performed for research of a particular organization, particular institution, or a group of person, family, or an individual. So, what are the advantages of case study method? Now we come to the main topic. So, case study method is very important place occupied in the field of social research. First advantage is that it is intensive in nature. It means it research various aspects of a unit or a problem. It goes deep inside to the study. Second point is that it produces new ideas and fresh suggestions due to intensive nature of the problem. As we discussed in the first point, intensive in nature because it goes deep inside to the research, so it produces new ideas, new suggestions to the study. Next point is that in case study method, a valid and sound hypothesis is formulated. In this case study method, a very proper hypothesis is formulated for research purpose. Next point is that this method studies human nature and behavior patterns very intensively, very deeply. Next point is it goes through various aspects of life which is guided to formulate the hypothesis. Basically, case study method goes deep inside to the problem, goes deep inside to the research purpose. So it is a very deep study in nature. It also research about human nature, behavior patterns deeply, and a fresh hypothesis is formulated. Next point is that it is the only study which studies the life cycle from past to present of an individual thoroughly. It is the only type of research, only type of method which studies whole life cycle of a person or a family or an institution or organization from past to current to future thoroughly. Now come to the next point of advantages. It has advantage in making multidimensional exploration of a same unit. It research about every aspect of life, every particular phase of life, every scenario, every variable of a life of a particular person, group of family, organizations, etc. And case study method thus enrich the knowledge pertaining to a particular case for further use in policy formulation. It is very helpful in making policy. It may be done by government, it may be done by organizations for making policy. It may be marketing policy, it may be product policy, it may be economic policy, financial policy, or any other policy which is related to business enterprises or government or any other field. Next point is that it is subjective in its nature, so it deals with the psychological aspect of life. As we discussed in the point that it is research about human behavior, human nature thoroughly. So it discuss about psychological aspect of human life also. Last point is that to eradicate social problem, to solve social problem. This study is very useful. Generally, to solve any type of problem in the society, we have to perform case studies to solve this, to find the solution of that particular problem. I again repeat all the advantages of case study. First is intensive in nature. It means it is deep knowledge, deep research in nature. It goes deep inside to the problem. Second is produces new ideas and fresh suggestions. It always gives new ideas, new innovations, new solution to the problem. A valid and sound hypothesis formulated. A hypothesis which is formulated in this study is very proper in form. It studies about human nature and behavior patterns deeply, goes deep inside into it. It is the only study which studies the life cycle from past to present to the future. What is to be going on in future? Next is, it is a multidimensional study. It explores knowledge, or it research about various aspects of life, of organization, individual, or a unit. It is a knowledge research. It goes all through the aspects of life, all through variables of a particular institution. So it is very useful in policy formulation by government or industry for their businesses. It is subjective in nature, so it deals with psychological aspect of human life. And last is, to solve any type of social problem, this study is very useful. So this is all about advantages of case study method. If you like my video, please like and share it to your friends and subscribe my channel also. Thank you everyone.